How to Start a Club with Junior Coach by Atticus Way from Junior Coach. Junior Coach Clubs are a series of lessons in small groups organized and led by Junior Coach volunteers, each focusing on a specific topic. Running a club is both enjoyable and rewarding. We at Junior Coach are here to assist you and explain how to successfully create an online club to teach kids. So, what do we do first? If you haven't already done this, the first step is to sign up as a volunteer with Junior Coach. Register here at https://juniorcoach.org or click the link in the description for a step-by-step explanation. Next, write an introduction for yourself and decide what you want to instruct kids on. After that, decide on the number of kids you plan to have in your group, your meeting hours, and what the club hopes to accomplish. After you have all the information for your club, the next step is to advertise your club so that kids can join. A good way to advertise is to make a flyer detailing your club. You can make this flyer yourself or email all the details about your club to juniorcoachteam@gmail.com, and we are more than happy to help make your flyer for you. We will help to promote your club for you as well. After you've registered and advertised your club, you should prepare your class content, such as making a slideshow about what you want to teach. Whether your subject is math, science, art, or anything else, the following tips can apply to all of them. Add some pictures for more fun and engagement. Most importantly, make sure that the information is correct and useful. Homework is not necessary, but you may add it if you think it would be helpful for the students. Make sure to interact with your students so they enjoy the class. Next, you should set up activities for your students to help them understand and retain the knowledge that they have learned. One good idea is to use games to review the class, such as Kahoot, quizzes, and Gimkit. Since you're here, I hope you're interested in starting your own club with Junior Coach soon. Feel free to contact us at juniorcoachteam@gmail.com if you have any questions.